Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to create an account on Instagram. In order to create an account on Instagram, you need to first of all install the app. So on the search bar, you simply want to go ahead and type in Instagram. And then what next you want to do is install the app to the latest version. After installing the application, it's going to take you to the next field where it's going to ask you to either sign up or continue or log in. So since if you already have an account, then you could go ahead and click on the login button. And if you don't have an account, then you simply want to go ahead and click on sign up. After which you will be asked to provide in your mobile number or sign up with email address. So I'm going to simply go ahead and sign up with email address. Alright then. After which you want to tap on the next button. Then it's going to ask you to create a password as well. You could go ahead and create a strong and a unique password and tap the next button. As you've done it so, you will then be asked to type in your date of birth. Make sure that you are above 18 years old, or make sure to enter in the exact date of birth and tap on the set button. Once again, you want to tap on the next, give a full name and tap on the next once again. After which you want to agree to the terms and conditions, so click on the I agree button, and then you will be taken to the next field where you could go ahead and read all of the terms and conditions and accordingly create a profile, add friends and family, and this is how you could go ahead and create an account on Instagram. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.